Hello viewers, this is Revati Dandabani from Master Arichodi. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get my videos immediately. Dear Gemini sign, Gemini ascendants, planets are placed in such a manner that there may be hindrance in your comforts and luxuries. The results of your efforts will be delayed. Education side will be bright and you may be successful. Be friendly with maternal uncle side. You will be courageous to face anything. Spouse relationship will be good, but avoid heated arguments. Second half of the month will be beneficial, but in the first half there will be problem by unknown enemies. There may be problem between father and son. Children may behave differently. Be friendly to bring them in track. Good results in their behavior. After February, there may be 20th. Women will progress both in office and house, but they have to manage multitask. Artists may also face ups and downs and may feel happy and steady after February 20th. You may have to spend more on women, maybe for your sister, wife, mother, or girlfriends. Your long-lasting desires will be fulfilled. You may get unexpected profits also. Be cautious while driving vehicles. Get due legal advice while purchasing immovable properties. You may be benefited by other religion and other language people. There may be confusions and dilemma in your mental status. Spiritual and religious thinking along with yoga, with meditation will make you feel good. Friends and business partners may not cooperate. Spouse relationship will not be happy as there may be difference of opinion between spouses. Situation will be dull in business, trade and career. Be cordial with superiors and subordinates in the workplace. There may be joyful occasions and celebrations for which you have to spend more. You may have tiresome travels also. Fund flow will be flawless without bumps. Family will be harmonious and family members will cooperate. The hurdles and obstacles faced will be a lesson. Those who are waiting for marriage will have to wait for some more time. Same way, those who are expecting babies have to wait for some time. Medical treatment. Do take care of parental health. Based on moon's transit, favorable dates are 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. Moon moves to 8th house on 10th and 11th of February. On these days, be careful. Avoid travels, new ventures and controversies. Be cautious while driving vehicles. No problem with daily routines. It's a general prediction based on Tirkanitam Panchankam. If your ascendant falls in this sign itself, the set predictions may be taken. If your ascendant is different, the prediction for the zodiac sign where your ascendant falls may be taken. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti, predictions may vary. Planetary status for February 2021. February 4th, Mercury retrogrades to Capricorn. February 20th, Mercury retrogression ends. February 20th, Venus moves to Aquarius. February 21st, Mars moves to Taurus. February 13th, Sun moves to Aquarius. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.